Hi and welcome to Case Club. Today we'll be reviewing our waterproof heavy-duty KSG or DP-12 case. It's designed to hold either your Kel-Tec KSG or DP-12, as well as a semi-auto pistol, magazines, and accessories. First, we'll talk about the layout of the foam and then the features of the case. When your case arrives, you'll need to remove the foam plugs. Start with this main plug. This area will immediately fit a Kel-Tec KSG. To fit a DP-12, these sections will need to be removed. The foam is pre-cut with a variety of perforations that ensure all your gear fits regardless of accessories. For example, to fit optics or a foregrip, you'll need to connect the existing foam perforations and remove these pieces. If you do not have a specific accessory, the perforated foam can be left in place. The perforations do not compromise the integrity of the foam and won't accidentally tear if not in use. Please note that this case will fit side attachments on either side of the KSG, but will only fit side attachments on the left side of the DP-12. On the left side of the base is a pistol cutout which is immediately ready to fit a compact pistol, but will accommodate a semi-auto pistol up to 8 5/8 inches in length. To accommodate a full-sized pistol, you'll need to connect the perforations here and remove them. For pistols with underbarrel attachments or optics, connect the perforations in these areas. Two pistol magazines can be stored in the cutouts here. Up to 44 shotgun shells can be individually stored in the foam in these areas, or these sections can be removed, revealing 2 accessory pockets. These removable modules are great for using outside of the case to keep your shotgun shells easily accessible while you're shooting. A small accessory pocket is located here. We've also included a waterproof accessory box for small accessories. Moving on to moisture control, we've included a reusable hydro-absorbent silica gel canister to help prevent rust. The importance of our specially designed moisture remover cannot be understated, and we encourage you to watch our silica gel video to learn more. Be advised, this foam is an upgrade from Pluck foam. Unlike Pluck foam, this foam is pre-cut, ensuring a perfect fit for your gear and saving you time from having to do it yourself. Another advantage of our foam is its military spec characteristics when compared to cheaper foam. When it's closed cell, it won't absorb liquid, and you can easily clean it if it gets dirty over time. Cheaper foam, on the other hand, will absorb any liquids and slowly deteriorate. Also, it provides adequate cushion for your gear, but won't tear like the cheaper foam. And the foam in the lid is a combination of polyethylene as well as a much softer convoluted polyurethane, whose ridges help to secure everything in place when the case is closed. And around the perimeter of the lid is a gasket seal, which makes the case 100% waterproof. The case features 4 snap latches with positive feedback. The case also features 4 padlockable holes for added security, 2 of which are metal reinforced and 2 of which are oversized to fit larger padlocks. A manual pressure relief valve allows you to open the case at any altitude. A light orange peel texture on the case's surface helps to guard against scratches. In the back, there are 4 strong mechanical hinges with stainless steel pins, all of which are one-way so they cannot be tapped out. Feet so that the case can stand upright on its own, and 3 handles that fold down to stay out of the way when not in use. Exterior case ribs help to strengthen the case shell and deflect impact when the case is being shipped. Wide-bodied wheels with stainless steel ball bearings allow the case to glide evenly over both smooth and rough terrain. You can find this product and many more at caseclub.com, the industry-leading manufacturer of cases and custom foam. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.